Today's race day. You ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? You got your color for pants that's just like this one?
That's what yellow man. That's the secret.
That's the secret, right? Right there. Oh yeah. What's your secret? Your pants too? Well, let's see what happened.
You ever pay attention to our phone conversations?
No, never.
Oh yeah, because you never call me back.
No, because look at that.
Hey, what's up? What are you?
What is our bus?
What bus? You guys have a bus?
Nice ride.
Good.
You like this setup, huh?
Boy, this is man. Look at this thing. You got to take this to the state.
Yeah, I would love to take this one to the States.
Hello, Kitty. Anthony is always a lot of fun. Oh man. All right, so we just got new coils and better coils supposedly, because the one we got, we noticed that they were really cheap coils, so we got more expensive coils. We're gonna test it now and see if it doesn't break up. All right, here we go. He's warming it up. So it's fine. It didn't break up. Now he's gonna try to do high boost. We'll see. It's fine. No breaking up. I guess it was the coils. I always say, don't use cheap parts. Good. All right, so we're going to Holeshot, try the Holeshot and see if it breaks up. That was good. Now, you gotta remember, we didn't have any time to mess with the props. We had all these issues, so it's cavitating a little bit. I'm not too happy with that. But it is what we got, because we win. Oh man, we had a hard time this week, so we'll try to do the best we can right now. All right, so here we go, putting a bandage on the problem, but we have to, because this is racing. We gotta get what we can. So the new coils are taller, and we bought the ones he had that the right size. You can put the bolt and everything in here, and they're shorter, and they were having issues. So we bought the same coils but another brand, which was what we could get locally, and they were long like this one. We took them apart. We put the bottom of the coil Saud had, and it still break up. So now we don't even want to touch the coils. So we're leaving the coil the same height that it is right now, and we're putting tape on it so it seals, or if the Thai guys have the SeaDoo original boot, we can just put it inside the boot. They're looking and see if they have it. But as far as that goes, I mean, this will work too with tape. And that's about it. We're gonna go test and see what we got. Like I say, we gotta improvise. There's a seal.
This is secrets. You can't talk about secrets.
I know. We telling too many secrets.
Yes.
One is red, the others are black. That's the secret. All right, guys. So it's very difficult trying to do the best I can to give you guys experience, but it's just me alone with the cameras and stuff. And when Dessie's here, Adela helps.
Because I thought it was just you alone working on this, but then you said the camera system, and I was like, where did all of us go?
So I have to work on the Jetski. Here we go. And also film, so it's very, very challenging because the Jetski is first and the camera is second. But everybody now understands the importance of the YouTube channel, so they give me a little break here and there. I think we'll be all right. I think I'm gonna do a pretty good job, as long as I don't lose the camera like I did in Dubai when I went to Dubai and I lost the camera the last day and I lost all my footage. We don't want that to happen, so now we have two cameras. So we do the best we can, and it's all for you guys. You having fun?
Fun, have fun.
Oh, you're fun?
If I'm happy, you come.
Fun? Thank you. There's my assistant.
So what are we doing now?
We are checking all the bolts, make sure that, because these things, you know, you literally ride these things to break them. I mean, so we have to check everything because they do come loose, all the bolts, especially on the pump, all the clamps. So every race we have to do that. Here we go, working. We are going to test at the start. We did some adjustments to the launch, and let's see if the cavitations went down. So we'll see what happened. Yusuf doing his exercises, his stretching. So like I tell everybody, I tell my clients, before you hit the gas on the Jetski, you have to warm it up. So that's what he's doing right now. He's warming the motor up to operating temperature so we can do the launch. A lot better. I was just one hit on the red limiter. We go in the right directions, baby. Oh yeah. No matter how much we scream at Yusuf, he still does the same thing. He just goes and do his thing every time. I think it's hilarious. Yusuf, what, you were practicing?
No, just testing starts.
Make sure that if you're gonna brake over there, right?
Yeah. What? That's how you should do it.
Yeah. So, how can you say no to that? Look at that face. Let's just, hey, if it's gonna brake over there. Hey, everything good?
Yeah, all good.
Nice. We known each other for a long time. He used to drag race at the track races back in the days. It's always nice to see people. All right, here we go. Time of the truth. This is when we know if everything's gonna work, all the hard work. All of the duct tape. you doing, buddy?
Very good. How you doing?
Good, man. Good, good.
man.
Nice to see you.
Too, man.
Like I always say, it's really nice to see people from my side of the world. Hey, there he is. Well, here we go. This is one of the Kuwaitis. He's really fast. So let's just say hello to him. He's really, really fast, and he's from Kuwait. They're all friends. So big shout out to him. So another team here from Florida is Miami Jetski. They enter the race here too. So see what happened. Here's Miami Jetski. It's always nice to see people, you know, from where I'm from Florida. They came all the way from Florida to here, so that's pretty cool.
Well, we got the start. I don't know if it's going to be a good one or not. We'll see. That looked a little sketchy. See if they call it or if they let it ride and they think that's a good one. Let's roll. Boat number 18 on the inside. And Dustin Farthing on the outside. Going to be Dustin Farthing with a Holeshot. And they let it roll. So they thought that one was a good one, and those guys just had great reaction times. And 18 in second. And you can hear Kinto Oko's team from Japan shouting. He is up in second. It's going to be Skinny Mo in third. Supak Satura in fourth. Juan Lizcaino in fifth. Francois Midori in sixth. And right now, Marcus Jorgensen on the bubble in seventh. Yes! All right, we got your top 7 riders as we are underway. And while I thought that looked a little quick on the start, hearing it from the tower, they felt that that was perfect because they just timed the band, and that's how good they were on the start. So congratulations on these guys for a great green flag. Yeah, Dustin Farthing did get a flyer. Jack Wells on the line, timing in. Dark Wave. Get down. Kinto Oko.
Looks like we're in 4th place.
Boat number 11 has moved up. That is Joseph Abdul-Razak up in 4th. This is a who's list, isn't it, of competitors out here. You're watching the Pro Runabout GP. And there is 52, that's Supak Satura. Up in qualifying. Gonna take 7 to the main. And there's Francois Midori. Back in 6th. Actually, Juan Lizcaino is up in 6th. Francois Midori got around 1. Dustin Farthing leading after this first couple of laps. Tupac Satura right behind him in second. And that is Skinny Mo up in third. Yosef Abdul-Razak behind him in fourth. Tupac Satura in fifth. Yosef Abdul-Razak right behind him in that fourth place spot, and then Francois Midori has moved up.
So there's 5 laps left. We'll see if he can go and get into third place. But if not, it's okay. They're all good. There's not, all these riders are really good. So most likely he will probably stay where he's at right now. So we just have to see, unless someone breaks, because they're all equal.
Skinny Mo, Yosef, Midori, and so it's Dustin Kinto Oko second, Skinny Mo third, Yosef Abdul-Razak, Midori in fourth is Yosef, fifth is Midori, and sixth is Tupac. You're watching Pro Runabout GP. Tupac Satura still in sixth. Here is Skinny Mo. It looks like Francois Midori making a move, trying to get around Skinny Mo. Francois Midori has moved past Yosef Abdul-Razak, and he's setting up to pass. Midori has moved up into fourth and now putting pressure on Skinny Mo. Skinny Mo is in third. Mohamed Barami. Or Burbaya. And there is Dustin Farthing. King D, as he's affectionately called, has won in numerous World Championships in the U.S., has been on the national tour, been racing well over, he's been clicking upwards 15 years now, and has one of the best teams. And look at the battle between Francois Midori and Skinny Mo, and Midori just powering through that outside. An endurance racer, also talented in closed course, and he's now moved into third, and he's taken over the pressure on boat number 18, that is Oko. Midori now up in third. That has been the big move. Gonna make a move. Francois Midori on that big split section, hit the gas, and he shuts the door. Francois Midori's now moved into second. All right, your change in leadership here. You've got Dustin Farthing on the 116 boat, followed by Francois Midori in second, 18 in third. That's Kinta Oko. In fourth place, you've got Skinny Bo. In fifth place, Joseph Opto Razak. In sixth place, Supac Satura. And your final transfer position, still Juan Lascano and Marcus Jorgensen. One out checker flag drops for Dustin Farthing. And a picture perfect race as the Farthing team up in the stands cheering him on. Spectacular finish, Francois Midori. Nailed that second spot.
So let's talk to the man and see what happened.
Yeah, we just finished qualifier,
Okay,
and basically they take top 7.
okay,
Doesn't matter first to 7.
Okay.
They qualify to the main. They do 2 LCQ, which is last chance qualifier for those who doesn't qualify. So they take 7-7 and then 2. So after that, we have 3 motos, and you get the overall from the 3 motos.
okay. So today's Saturday.
Yeah.
You're gonna have one today,
1 today afternoon,
and
tomorrow 2.
and 2 tomorrow. Cool.
But see, it looks good, the ski.
Alright.
Just needs to see the weather is supposed to be windy. We need to lower the nose a bit, and that's it.
Cool. All right. You heard it from the man. So apparently we fixed the Jetski with duct tape. Sometimes that's what works, you know. Talent, baby. We fix it with duct tape. All right. So from all the jumping, the strap from the inner collar broke.
Didn't break it, went to shit. That's what they call it.
It went to shit. So now we're replacing the straps. The Thai guys.
في شيء قدام زي
How many they have? So, like I always say, it's a big family. We all help each other. He went. We changed the spark plugs. We put new spark plugs. We got them a little more, you know, like 20. Because it's turbo. And he went out. He practiced. Came back. We took it out of the water. When he went to start it up again, you know, to blow the exhaust, it wouldn't start. Wouldn't start. Saul got the computer, and there was no signal. There was no signal going from the cam sensor. Took the set cam sensor out and found this. Trying to figure out what this is. It's metal, and it was interfering with the cam sensor signal. So now we're trying to figure out where this came from. I'll let you guys know.